Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Depends where you are watching us from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for subscribing, for liking my video, for sharing. Thank you. God bless you all. Today video, guys, we are making party jollof rice. This is how we make party jollof rice in Nigeria. This is how we cook party jollof rice. We are still in holiday, so me and my family we decided to cook this party jollof rice so that it will be enough for everybody. Yes, guys, continue watching. I'm going to show you how we make the jollof rice. First of all, we boil our chicken. We boil the chicken and I'm going to sieve it. After sieving it, then I will fry the chicken. So after that, I will now continue with the jollof rice. Guys, continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. God bless you all. Bye.
Take it off.